Flood don't sweep people go away for inside China. This one they happen for China because we gotta say at least 25 people don't die, and in fact 100,000 people now they don't evacuate come out from house because of say this water really serious. It can't be like say God then they don't plan this abroad because the kind of way they even happen, I know they even understand. You go see where rain it don't trap people inside train. I never if you imagine that because I don't know where the rain pass, where the water pass, water they reach people for under their breast. They dey inside train, but they don't feel move. Water don't gather them. The whole town don't they flooded. On I see Germany, oh, we never even end. Now na China, oh, I beg where be the next place? When people beg, make na use na eye see this kind of tragedy.
的职业机器了，我
发到发了你。
那是对着路。
啊，那个敲。
战地记者来了，打电话给俺三姨，叫俺三姨报警。现在已经到哥伦邦那个建邦。
海滩寺跟沙口路的中间段，海滩寺刚走过去。
大家不要说话，你们热不热呀？
我现在打不。
像不像拍恐怖片儿？我的天哪！
救命啊！
In fact, this one they very terrible. Because I should say in 1,000 years, they never experienced this kind of heavy rainfall be this. I bet which kind of rain come be this one because I don't quite even they understand the kind of way we for. You go in fact, people where they lucky, now people where they live for upstairs. Those ones they just manage you. Where we say their house go there for up, and just in a day they go just there they manage. And up and down how you want to come outside, go eat, buy food, shop. And me say that these abroad people say this rain way for a blessing a terrible thing for them. Because we say when they complain and Nigeria say rain for this one, but bless our own they learn work. Our rain they learn work because as they gather this as they do their experiment, now no China people and this thing, they gather say we supposed for a whole year, 1 good year, 9 4 in 3 days on the year. I beg you, say this one can go happen inside Nigeria, one African country. People could just die throw away. Because one day rain itself, when we say you don't even have English like this, people they die, what are they carry people go? See China, oh, what are they even carry mama, people, family, house? See motor. But even they glass say some people no go there, go they fight and they won't hustle for their motor because you could just die. You could just die fling to it. Save your life because this kind of heavy rain where they happen now, and they predict say some more rain still they come, so make Nigeria very careful. Because before we go say now, go yes, say this one don't happen, another one. The kind of tragedy where they happen inside abroad now, I know they even understand what they happen. Behind now God won't punish, I be God just divert the punishment. So okay, Nigeria rain, you don't do, make you carry and go all this abroad country. Not only the same country, self. Some hot so they burn people. Now rain don't fall so they everywhere don't they flood. What's going to happen? I beg. But I beg, making a carry in a life first, making a day very protective. All this emergency, in fact, the Oyinbo people are supposed to stand there. They said, yeah, oh, they get emergency unit. As this thing they happen, they get people they try to save them. Nigeria, make water they enter your house, pass your window, enter your nothing. If you not take care of yourself, help yourself, Nigeria will just die. We don't even get anything emergency. Firefighters say make fire they even burn, so call them water they don't even get. It can't be people who won't compact water. Or now they see all these things happen. Our Nigerian people they suppose they learn from all this kind of one. And I'm not surprised say within some few days now, China they go settle this whole thing. All this land we don't even destroy, they go set everything back in place. But I know see they go lose things. Because people say we don't die. In fact, I sure see they lose so many people. Apart from the valuables and goods, people say that maybe they are so rest in peace. But I sure say their own government now, they go put things in place to do because this one are just natural disaster. They don't go beg God. But at least the normal things we don't spoil, they go not the one they do be an drainage, they go open and wide. I be they go make them wider. I know see they go shall do the necessary things. But when people beg, I hear this one inside China, I want to make her bring and come, make na service na here. Here we see that happen. Everything what I just hearing about now, if I get something to talk about, make na write them inside the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for our next video. 40-feet container truck don't go crash two motor and in fact e even kill person. This one happen for Otedola Bridge for Lagos State. In fact, this thing don dey turn to regular thing for this glorified city wey we dey call Lagos State. Abeg wetin dey happen inside this Lagos? Every time trailer go kill person and nothing wey our government dey do about this whole thing. Now this container e crash. In fact, na by the grace of God wey we hear say one person die. Because if not, you know all this kind trailer crash, so many people dey die. But as e be, na only one person die for this whole crash. People abeg make una follow me see this one. But abeg, wetin dey on top of this Otedola Bridge? When be say every day innocent life must die on top of this bridge. Una sure say this place never turn to ritual spot? Because e be like say for a year, in a year sef more than 5 to 10 people must die on top of that bridge. So abeg, wetin come dey happen on top of that bridge like this? And I wan even come ask, 40-feet container, abeg wetin you dey find on top of bridge? When be say you alone, you never fit even move yourself. Now on top of it, and you know all these trailer drivers. Now so they go dey drive rubbishly with speed. Like say na dem get the road, they go dey drive anyhow. You even dey their back say you go dey fear to even move with them. I sure I no even know as the thing dey happen. Na by mistake, or be na speed before we go see this thing don go crash person, crash people motor. Abeg all this, I think say I don complain say make trailers dey move for now. I even think say law dey inside Lagos. Say trailer na for night na make dey move. So abeg wetin trailer dey find? E be like say government they suppose find out some forces and no be na police force abi wey they go dey check all this trailer. If you know say your load pass this, make you no climb bridge. If na down, make the person go climb am. Or last for night na make they move. Because this whole death thing e don dey too much. E don dey, especially on top of this bridge. Be na pastor they go find. May go clean this bridge. Abi they go change the name of that bridge. I no even understand. Because the death rate on top of that place e don too much. And I go talk say na even speed, because most of all these trailers, the kind speed wey they carry, if you follow them, your heart go even cut. You go dey wonder if na the same place where you dey go, na there themselves they dey go. They go dey drive like animals, like say the person wey dey drive it no be follow human being they drive it. And the shocking thing, when they happen for all these trailer attacks, funny enough, the driver no go ever die. Person wey don't know anything about this whole trailer matter, na him go come die. The person wey dey drive it, e go just say me na one kind small scratch, abi one kind small wound, na they go just do am. So abeg wetin come dey happen? Government una never see anything still do about this whole thing. So now until one big person, I sure say na until one big person go die before they will come reason and say okay, this trailer thing make them stop, abi make them do something about this whole matter. Because this accident e don dey too much. E don too much. In fact, trailer accident e don too much. On a regular na inside Lagos. Within a month, you must hear say either trailer crash, abi explode, abi you do this one. It makes say people life now, e no even dey safe again. E no dey safe at all. So abeg government people make una find something to do about this whole matter. This thing don too much. People don tire. E don tire, but in fact, e don tire people. And I know be because Lagos and government people they know in fact, if you go inside my two, na so trailers they go park more than 100 trailers. You no go even see road pass. So people wey dey drive, I don't know, I go beg on. If na dey drive near trailer, jejely, if you dey in the front, make una dey follow and dey crawl for back. Because the way wey they keep people now, we no dey understand. Then na ritual they use and do, abi they just dey do am on purpose, abi they just dey keep person on purpose. We no know. So make una dey very, very careful. My people, I hear this one. I can't make her bring and come. Make una say this na ear. Hear wetin dey happen. Anything when I feel about this whole matter, I just talk now. Make una don't forget to write am inside the comment section. Make una don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for our next video.